Hey everybody, Jim Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Well, first the bad news. The bad news is California is increasing fast food minimum wages to $20 an hour. Now that sounds good if you are a fast food worker, definitely. But if you aren't, if you're not a fast food worker, it is kind of a disaster because it means that all of the Happy Meals and everything like that are going to be going up in price. But there's an interesting company, it's an AI company, that is set to benefit from this, well, problem, shall we say, and it's kind of helped solve the problem. On April 1st, California is going to establish a new minimum wage for fast food workers of $20 an hour minimum. Now, this sounds great for if you're a fast food worker, but actually what's going to happen with this is we're going to see fast food workers basically fired because, of course, if you have $20 an hour fast food wage, you're going to get Happy Meals that cost $18. And this is exactly what's happened in the state of Connecticut already. So what gives? Well, what gives is it's going to be more and more difficult to order in the drive-thru with a real human. What's going to happen, of course, is that they're going to first try to get you to order with the app, and they're trying to do this at McDonald's right now. And secondly, they're just going to get rid of the drive-thru person altogether. And this is starting to happen. But in order for this to happen, they need AI, and AI is going to do voice recognition. So when you go through the drive-thru, you're going to be talking into the box, and then it's going to read back to you your order, and then hopefully by the time you get to the window, it's going to give you the food. So hopefully that'll work. But there's a company that Nvidia is investing in, and this is an interesting company, and I do think that it has some very, very good potential. As of last Wednesday, Nvidia has been disclosing that they have been buying this stock, SoundHound, symbol S-O-U-N. Now, of course, this is not a recommendation to buy the stock. This is just a very interesting thing that is happening in the world of AI. And I think AI is going to be obviously a very big technology. I think at first it's going to see its main usage in sound recognition, and especially with lower cost workers, primarily in the service industry. And I think that fast food is going to be one of these areas that it's going to affect the most. Investor Business Daily rates this with a composite rating of 83. Now, typically, you only want to be buying stocks that are above 80, and this is just barely. EPS rating, well, it's in a bad situation here, obviously, because it's not profitable yet. Hopefully, if it is adopted by Nvidia and other companies, that will change. But the relative strength, and this is the key, it's 95. So this is the top 5% of all stocks currently, and the group relative strength is A+. Also, you'll notice that there is accumulation of this fund by the fund. So this is interesting as well. Now, as you can see by this chart, the industry group rank is 11. So it's 11 out of 197. So that's pretty good when it comes to that. What we have to be concerned with, though, of course, is that the earnings date is 2/29. So we probably don't want to buy this yet. We probably want to be on the watch list for this one until the 29th. But after the 29th, this one may slip into a good buy. So this is not really a buy for right now. It's a buy potentially at the end of the month on the 29th as we're coming there. So very interesting. It's also in the tech services computer area, and it does have a very, very strong rating as of now because, of course, the relative strength is so high. So just an interesting stock. I'll be hopefully keeping you abreast of this one. If you want more trade ideas, just go over to youtube.com/Dallas Trading Floor and sign up for Dallas Trading Floor. Hope to see you soon.